Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'll be discussing 5 clear ways to take advantage of the US tax laws to build wealth. You see, taxes can be a source of frustration for many people, but with the right strategy, you can use tax laws to take advantage and grow your wealth. In this video, I'll be sharing practical tips and illustrative examples that will help you understand how to maximize your tax benefits and build wealth in the process. Let's get started. Number 1. Maximize your retirement contributions. The first way to take advantage of US tax laws is to maximize your retirement contributions. You see, by contributing to a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA, you can reduce your tax income and save for retirement at the same time. Let's take a look at this instance. Let's say you earn $100,000 per year and contribute $19,500 towards your 401k. Your tax income will be reduced to $80,500, saving you money on taxes. Additionally, the money you contribute to your retirement account grows tax-free, allowing you to build wealth over time. Number 2. Invest in real estate. Guys, the second way to take advantage of US tax laws is to invest in real estate. You see, real estate investing provides several tax benefits such as depreciation deductions, mortgage interest deductions, and 1031 exchanges. Let's take a look at depreciation deductions, which allows you to deduct a portion of the cost of your rental property from your taxable income each year. Then you've got mortgage interest rate deductions, which allows you to deduct the interest you pay on your rental property's mortgage from your taxable income. And then there's the 1031 exchanges, which allows you to defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds from the sale of one rental property into another. Number 3. Start a business. The third way to take advantage of US tax laws is to start a business. As a business owner, you can deduct business expenses from your taxable income, such as on office rent, supplies, and employee salaries. Additionally, you can take advantage of qualified business income deductions, which allows you to deduct up to 20% of your business income from your taxable income. For example, let's say you start a consulting business and earn about $100,000 in income. With the QBI deduction, you can deduct $20,000 from your taxable income, saving your money on taxes. Thank you for watching this far into my video. If you're finding this content valuable, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and strategies on how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Your support will mean a lot to me and will help my channel grow so I can continue to create valuable content for you. Alright, now let's move on to the next topic, where I share more insights and strategies that you can use to take your finances to the next level. Number 4. Donate to charity. The fourth way to take advantage of US tax laws is to donate to charity. You see, charitable donations are tax deductible, allowing you to reduce your taxable income, and you get to support the cause that you believe at the same time. For instance, let's say you donate $10,000 to a qualifying charity. You can easily deduct the $10,000 from your taxable income, which would then reduce your tax bill. Guys, this is not the only benefits of charity, but it also allows you to build wealth by reducing your tax liability. Number 5. Take advantage of tax credits. The fifth way to take advantage of US tax laws is to take advantage of tax credits. You see, tax credits are even better than tax deductions because they directly reduce your tax liability. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit, known as EITC, is a tax credit for low to moderate income individuals and families. So, if you were to qualify for an EITC, you can receive up to $6,660 in tax credits, reducing your tax bill and allowing you to build wealth. Alright guys, these are the 5 ways to take advantage of US tax laws to build wealth. You see, by maximizing your retirement contributions, investing in real estate, starting a business, donating to charity, and taking advantage of tax credits, you can reduce your tax liability, save for the future, and build wealth over time. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any further questions or want to share your own take on how to take advantage of US tax laws, I encourage you to comment below and I'll surely respond to you. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, kindly share this video. Also, click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.